Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft account creation has been blocked error when trying to create Microsoft account. So without further delay, let's get started. Solution 1, try a different browser. First, try switching to a different web browser. For example, if you are currently using Google Chrome, try Microsoft Edge, Firefox or another browser instead. Then visit the Microsoft sign up page again and try creating your account. Solution 2, clear your browser cache and cookies. If the problem still persists, open your browser and follow these steps. Click the three dot menu in the top right corner and open settings. In the search bar, type cache, then click clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time. Select cache image and files cookies also, then click clear data again. Once the process is complete, restart your browser and try creating your Microsoft account again. Solution number 3, use a different device and network. If you are still facing the issue, try using another device. For example, if you are using a PC or laptop, switch to your smartphone or tablet. Also, instead of using your home Wi-Fi connection, try using mobile data, as this can often resolve the problem. Solution number 4, disable browser extension. Open the three dot menu in your browser and go to extension or manage extension. If you have any ad blocker or privacy related extension, install, temporarily disable or remove them. This extension can sometimes interfere with Microsoft sign up page. Solution number 5, change your private DNS settings. For mobile user, if private DNS is enabled on your phone, temporarily disable it by going to your settings and connection on your default network settings. For desktop browser user, go to settings on your browser and then click on privacy and security, then tap on security. Find the choose DNS provider option and select Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. It's recommended to avoid using OpenDNS. Solution number 6, use a VPN. If none of this previous method works, install a reliable VPN application and connect to a different country or server. Once your IP address change, the issue is often resolved, allowing you to create your Microsoft account successfully. I hope one of these methods help you to fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.